This is what Delta's bringing to Hannover Messe 2026. My name is Andrea, joined today by my colleague Christina from Delta Electronics EMEA.
This year at Hannover Messe, we are showcasing our latest solutions for AI-driven manufacturing and digital twin, industrial power, clean mobility, and sustainable energies, and how they come together to make the industrial operations more efficient and sustainable.
From production to intralogistics and energy infrastructure, everything here is designed to work as one integrated system. Let's have a look.
Our booth connects across three areas: smart manufacturing, clean mobility, and sustainable energy. Let's start with smart manufacturing, and this is where we're seeing a big shift. As the move toward AI-driven factory is accelerating, manufacturers face higher pressure to improve flexibility while reducing complexity. But to make this transformation work, it needs to be built on a strong foundation of safety, security, and reliability. Here, we are showcasing Delta's full automation portfolio, from advanced motion systems and modular drive to high-performance controllers and collaborative robots, all working together to create a flexible and scalable foundations for next-generation manufacturing.
So, what does that actually look like in practice? Right here, we have an intelligent production machine running live, featuring advanced PCB insertion systems, the kind of systems that are used in high-volume manufacturing environments. What makes this powerful is its connection to a digital twin, where Delta DIA Twin, integrated with NVIDIA Omniverse and physics libraries, is used to simulate and validate the process in advance. This allows us to optimize the production setup through offline programming, before anything runs on the factory floor. So, instead of relying on trial and error, everything is tested and validated virtually first. DIA Twin leverages NVIDIA Omniverse. Every movement is checked using high-precision collision detection, making sure machines, tools, and components all interact correctly. That feedback is then used to refine the process, improving output and reducing the time needed to ramp up production. The result is a smarter, faster, and more reliable production process, especially valuable in industries where precision and speed are critical.
And to get a system like this running continuously, you also need reliable power behind the scenes. In industrial environments, like factories, warehouses, or outdoor installations, power supplies are often exposed to dust, humidity, and extreme temperature, and any failure can lead to costly downtime. That's where our new Chameleon series industrial power supply with IP65 protections comes in. It's designed to operate consistently with output voltage of 48 volts in these harsh conditions, from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius, while maintaining stable performance. Additionally, it offers a programmable output voltage of 42 volts to 56 volts. It's also fanless, which reduces mechanical wear and increases long-term reliability, especially in environments where maintenance is difficult and costly. And beyond just supplying power, it includes built-in monitoring and communication, so operators can track performance in real time and address issues before they impact operations.
And that same need for reliability extends beyond production into intralogistics, for example, in automated warehouses, where vehicles move goods continuously throughout the day. In these environments, stopping to charge isn't always an option, so charging needs to happen seamlessly, without interrupting operations. Delta's Move conductive and inductive chargers have already powered more than 1 million industrial vehicles worldwide, including AGVs, AMRs, forklifts, and heavy-duty vehicles operating in demanding logistics environments, proving its reliability at scale. Here at the booth, we're showing solutions like MoveBase and MoveAir. MoveBase conductive chargers provide scalable, high-performance charging infrastructure for glowing fleets, while MoveAir enables wireless charging, allowing vehicles to charge automatically during operation, for example, while waiting, loading, or passing through specific points. So instead of charging being a separate step, it becomes part of the workflow, reducing downtime and improving overall efficiency.
1 million industrial vehicle chargers? Wow, that's impressive. And speaking of charging, let's move into clean mobility, where we are showcasing how charging, storage, and energy management come together as one system. Starting with our UFC 500 DC charger. This ultra-fast charger is designed for heavy-duty fleet operations. It's typically used in places like logistic hubs, bus depot, highway charging, or commercial fleet, where vehicles need to be charged quickly and get back on the road. What makes it stand out is combination of ultra-fast charging and high throughput. It can charge a heavy-duty vehicle at up to 460 kilowatt or two vehicles at the same time at up to 250 kilowatt each. So, even in busy environments, multiple vehicles can be charged efficiently. But as more of these high-power chargers are deployed, the demand on the grid increases, especially in locations where capacity is limited.
And that's where energy storage becomes essential. Our C-Series system is an all-in-one energy storage solution designed for commercial and industrial applications. It combines batteries, power conversion, liquid cooling, and control into a single integrated system, making it easy to install and deploy on site. It works alongside energy management systems to support applications like EV charging, factories, and commercial buildings, helping operators manage energy more efficiently and reliably.
And beyond batteries, we're also exploring hydrogen as part of the energy transitions as countries work to reduce carbon emissions and expand renewable energy. Hydrogen offers strong potentials thanks to its high energy density and low emissions. At Delta, we are developing hydrogen solutions as a clean, always-on backup and primary power sources for critical load. By building on our expertise in power electronics, control, and thermal management, we are developing solutions that are stable, efficient, and cost-effective. Together, these technologies support a more flexible and resilient energy system, enabling cleaner mobility and lower carbon future. So, this is what we are showcasing at Hannover Messe 2026.
From smart manufacturing and AI-driven solutions to energy and mobility, it's all about helping industries become more efficient and ready for what's next.
We hope you like this tour, and if you would like to see it in actions, come and visit us at Hall 13, stand CO2, here at Hannover Messe 2026. See you soon!